Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete apps on your iPhone. If your phone is running out of storage, or you just want to clean up your home screen, removing apps is a quick and easy way to free up space. I'll show you two simple methods. Let's get started. The first method is directly from the home screen. Find the app you want to delete. Now press and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. Tap Remove App, then tap Delete App. To confirm, tap Delete one more time. The app will now be removed from your iPhone. Now let's look at the second method, using Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see all the apps installed on your iPhone, along with how much storage each one is using. Select the app you want to remove. Now tap Delete App. Tap Delete App again to confirm. This method is useful if you want to see which apps are taking up the most space before deleting them. And that's it. That's how to delete apps on your iPhone using two easy methods.